Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You've opened your doc. Now begin with the first actionable steps. Place the cursor where columns belong or select the exact text you want to format. Once done, choose Format Columns immediately so you don't waste time tweaking other styles first. Make sure to insert a section break if you only want columns for part of the page. This prevents global changes. This setup ensures you'll control flow and spacing from the start and keeps headers and footers unchanged. Now you apply and customize the columns. Select Format, Columns, then pick 2 or 3 columns depending on layout needs. Click More options to fine-tune spacing and add a vertical line between columns. Once you set spacing, make sure to apply to the correct section so headers remain single column. If text jumps awkwardly, insert a column break where you want the flow to continue. These steps give precise control of rhythm, readability, and alignment across the page. Finish by reviewing the full document and adding column breaks where necessary to control flow. Export to PDF to confirm the layout appears as you expect, because screen view sometimes differs. If elements shift, check for unintended section breaks. Removing or moving them and reapplying column settings usually fixes it. Finally, adjust spacing or margins in More options to refine appearance. If problems persist, copy content into a new document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.